Moving in New York City? We know it can feel overwhelming. But with TikTak Moving, it doesn't have to be. Our team specializes in apartment moves, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience from start to finish. Whether you're moving to a new high-rise or a cozy brownstone, we handle all the details. From packing up your belongings to safely transporting them, we've got you covered. Our professional movers are trained to navigate the unique challenges of NYC, including narrow staircases, tight hallways, and busy streets. We prioritize punctuality and efficiency, so you can settle into your new home as quickly as possible. Experience the joy of moving without the hassle. Our team is dedicated to making your move seamless, so you can focus on what truly matters, your new beginning. At TikTak Moving, we believe in providing top-notch service with a personal touch. Your satisfaction is our priority. Ready to make your move? Contact us today for a free quote and let TikTak Moving handle the rest.